This is a super easy, yet super cool, super modern DIY craft. All we need, this is twisted cotton rope from Ravenox. These are some really cool Christmassy colors, little red, green, and white, or a little candy cane. And then let's get started. We'll do 2 different size trees, and I think you'll love it. First, we'll figure out about what length of rope we want. And anytime you cut cotton rope, you want to put some tape on the end so it doesn't unravel. And okay. Use any scissors. So, you can see the end there. And we'll simply, and you're going to find the kind of the center point of the rope, and you're really just going to try to get it down the center. You're going to have to play with it. It's tricky, but try to stay in the middle of the rope so it's hidden. Okay, so we're to the end of the wire. So again, let's bend it, tape the rope, and give her a cut. Okay, now for the fun part. Okay, so we have this wire. So this is what the end result looks like. We're going to start very small, tiny, and basically do what we did in the beginning, where we made it a circle. So now it's a nice flat circle, and look at this. You got a little wire hook. It's pretty cool. It's just a fun decoration. You can hang out in the tree. Probably make it a little bit shorter. Alright, so now that we've gotten kind of the shape we want, the wire is already a built-in hook, and you can hang these on a tree, hang these from wherever you want at your house, but it's a fun little decoration for the holidays. Hope you enjoyed this Ravenox DIY. We'll see you again soon.